How to troubleshoot SNTP configurations on a Brother device. If you are looking for setup instructions instead, please click the link shown on your screen or in the description. SNTP address and port number. The first recommendation is to check that there are no mistakes in the SNTP addresses and port numbers. By default, Brother devices use either SNTP.brother.com with port number 123 or the SNTP address and port number managed by your organization's environment, typically assigned through a DHCP server. If your organization uses something different and you need to manually set it, please change them. No internet. If your SNTP settings are correct but are internet facing, another possible cause could be that your device is not connected to it. A simple check could be to ensure that your other devices are able to connect to the internet. If they can, then please check that your Brother device's IP address and gateway are correct. If they are, the problem could be related to DNS. DNS. Before changing any DNS settings, it is recommended to try using the IP address of your SNTP server. In this example, instead of using the fully qualified domain name of my internal SNTP server, which is sntp.mydomain.com, I will use its IP address instead. This will solve any DNS related problems or help to eliminate them, because if you are still seeing an error message with an IP address, chances are the problem is not DNS related. Please note that this will not work for the default internet facing SNTP server address, which is sntp.brother.com. If, however, you cannot use the IP address and have established a DNS related problem, click the link shown at the top of the screen to learn how to change your Brother device's DNS settings. Firewall settings. Check that the TCP port number shown here is allowed in and out of your firewall. Thank you.